In this video, I'll show you how you can fix the Realtek HD Audio Manager is missing from your PC on Windows 10 and Windows 11. First thing that I suggest you do is you head over to Device Manager to make sure if we even have it updated. Then in here you want to find Sound, Video and Game Controllers and check in here if you have Realtek High Definition Audio. If you have this one, what you want to do is right click on it, Update Driver, search automatically. And if it says you already have the best one installed, then try and choose Browse My Computer. Let me pick from a list. Then first you want to try this one, next, and then you want to try this one after, and next. After you've done that, if it's still not working, what you want to do is just head over to Google and search for it. Choose the first one right here. And then what you want to do is simply install this one for your PC. Now, you want to install for 32-bit or 64-bit. And you can find it by searching here, System Information. And as you can see, mine is 64. So I would install this one. After you've done that, it should hopefully work. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.